You've seen it before. Someone says, tech is the future. Learn to code and you'll be rich. So why are so many programmers still broke? Why is someone with Python on their resume still struggling to pay rent? Let's talk about it, and no, it's not because they're bad at coding. Being a programmer sounds like the golden ticket. High-paying jobs, remote work, startup equity, the digital dream. But if that's the case, why are so many programmers living paycheck to paycheck? Today, I'm going to break down the 8 real reasons many programmers stay broke, even while working in one of the most profitable industries in the world. Reason 1. Thinking tech skills equals financial skills. You might be amazing at writing code, but money, budgeting, investing, passive income, that's a whole different programming language, one they don't teach in boot camps. Some devs are making $100,000, but spending $120,000 on gadgets, gear, subscriptions, crypto they don't understand. Being financially successful isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep, grow, and reinvest. You can write clean code and still have a messy bank account. Reason 2. Too comfortable with the job title. A lot of developers land their first job and stop growing. They hold onto that junior developer badge for too long. Here's the trap. Your income is capped not by your skills but by your ambition. You stay at a comfy job for 4 to 5 years without ever negotiating. Meanwhile, others hop every 1 to 2 years, build leverage, and double their salary. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Reason 3. Not building anything of their own. Let's be honest. Most coders write other people's dreams for a paycheck. They never build something of their own. You're a builder, but if you're only building for others, you'll always be on the payroll, never the profit-sharing list. Even small side projects can turn into money trees. Reason 4. They code but don't communicate. Most programmers believe this lie. I just want to code, not talk. But guess what separates a $60,000 developer from a $200,000 one? Communication, soft skills, leadership, the ability to explain tech to non-tech people. The devs who get promoted fast, they're not just great at Git, they're great at making clients feel confident. Reason 5. Tutorial trap equals no real value. A lot of coders never graduate from the follow-along phase. They keep learning but never shipping. They have 30 Udemy certificates but 0 real-world solutions. Skills aren't valuable until they solve someone's problem. The broke coder is always in learning mode. The wealthy coder, they build, test, launch, fail, and grow. Reason 6. Wasting their free time. You get home from your 9 to 5 coding job, and instead of building your side hustle, you binge Netflix, doom scroll, and repeat. Let me say this, you don't have to hustle every night, but if you never use your free time for yourself, you're renting your entire life to someone else's goals. Even just 1 hour a day for 6 months can change everything. That's how most profitable dev side hustles start. Reason 7. Never learning about freelance or business. You can build a full stack app from scratch, but you don't know how to price your work, or how to pitch a client, or how to market your skills. Freelancing scares some programmers because no one ever taught them business. Imagine if you spent 10% of the time you spent learning JavaScript learning how to invoice. You'd probably be working for yourself by now. Reason 8. They wait for permission. The worst mindset a programmer can have is this: I'll wait until I'm good enough. That's how you stay broke. No one's coming to save you. You promote yourself. Start before you're ready. Launch when it's ugly. Learn in public. Bonus truth: they don't believe they deserve more. Many devs carry imposter syndrome like a badge of honor. They underprice themselves. They avoid negotiation. They say yes to bad contracts. If you don't believe your skills are valuable, no one else will either. Belief is the first multiplier of your income, before the code. So why are so many programmers broke? It's not because they lack talent. It's because they haven't shifted their mindset from coder to creator, from employee to builder. Here's your roadmap. Learn to manage money. Use your free time wisely. Build your own stuff. Communicate like a leader. Price yourself like a business. And start before you feel ready. Let me know in the comments which one of these reasons hit you the hardest, and if you're ready to stop just writing code for others and start creating something for yourself. Subscribe to Thom Code, your faceless guide to a smarter coding career.